We're here today at the KC Midnight Special in Jean, Nevada. We're right now at the South Point at Tech. I'm Emilio Cabrera, the co-pilot 1492.
What's up? I'm the secondary co-pilot. I'm just hoping I don't have to jump in, but I'll be ready if I have to. Good times to come. I'm Jay Rossi. I'm the lucky one who gets to drive the truck. 1492. Looking for a strong finish here tonight.
My name is Brady Moline. We're here at South Point in Las Vegas doing tech for the KC HiLites SNORE night race. We got Jason Coleman's Herb Smith Fab truck here, 6100 truck. Get ready to go pre-run tonight and then race tomorrow night. So looking forward to it. Cool. The only night race of the year, so it's gonna be fun.
The 1433 truck here at the Midnight Special 2020. We're back at it again. Racing down from Bend, Oregon. We're gonna give it hell. We're gonna give it everything we got this time.
Just got paid, $100 bills, tell them keep the change, come on. If pop a bottle about to make it rain, let me give you something now to celebrate, come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel so good. I see the world through my thrift store shades, rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on. Songs on an air guitar, posing for your picture like a superstar. Yeah, come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good. Dance along, keep the feeling going on and on. If you feel it, just dance along, dance along, dance along. If you feel it, just dance along. Got to keep the feeling going on and on. If you feel it, just dance along, dance along. Oh, it just feels so good. Just feels so good. train and watch you sleep. Right in my arms, I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water. You're in my head, you're in my head. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go. You're in my head. Anywhere you wanna go. So many things in this world I wanna do, and when I die, I wanna know you did that too. Yeah, I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face. With your hand in my head, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go. With your hand in my head, with your hand in my head. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face. With your hand in my head, ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go. With your hand in my head, anywhere you wanna go. I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. Yeah, pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel so good.
Hey SkullRush family, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hit that like button and leave us a comment down below. Also, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know exactly when the new videos drop. You can watch them right away. Also, if you're not following us on Instagram, scoot on over there, and it's at SkullRush_official. And you can also check us out on Facebook at SkullRush USA. Thank you so much, and thanks for being a part of the SkullRush tribe.